Welcome to ABC Trainings, MX Road Training Program. Explore the world of road design and modeling with our comprehensive MX Road training programs. Whether you are a beginner or seeking advanced skills, we offer certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma courses to cater to your specific learning needs in MX Road. Our programs cover a wide range of topics, empowering you with the skills necessary for precise road design, analysis, and documentation. Here are some key features you'll explore in our courses. Introduction to the MX Road Interface and Workflow. Geometric design and alignment creation for roads. Terrain modeling and earthwork calculations in MX Road. Drainage design and analysis. Integration of MX Road with other design software. Enroll in the MX Road course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful road design software. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.